Online shoppers, listen up, because I'm about to save you from a shopping scam you'll definitely want to avoid. I know how tempting those gorgeous ads from Elaine's boutique can look on Facebook or Instagram. The dresses? Stunning. The prices? Even better. But here's the real deal. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Let's break down what's actually happening. First, the products you see in their ads look high-end, stylish, and totally unique. But once your order finally arrives, if it ever does, it's usually a cheap imitation, made of scratchy synthetic fabric that looks nothing like the pictures. And about the whole Cape Town boutique thing? Total fiction. Your package gets shipped straight from China, often taking weeks. So much for supporting local, right? Now, if you're thinking you'll just return it if you don't like it, think again. Returns are a nightmare. They'll either ignore you completely or tell you to ship it back to China at your own cost. That's expensive, and honestly, most people just give up. Some unlucky shoppers reported never getting their order at all. Money gone, no dress, and absolutely zero help from customer service. Here's another red flag. Elaine's boutique uses AI-generated images and makes up fake closing down sales to pressure you into buying fast. They also delete negative comments so new shoppers don't see the warnings. So, bottom line, don't buy from Elaine's boutique or any shop with similar tactics. If you've already ordered and feel scammed, try to get a refund through your bank and report the page to Facebook. Share this with someone who shops online, and let's look out for each other. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy shopping.